Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Raj here, and if you guys didn't see last video, please be sure to go check it out. In that video, I unboxed these AirPods Pro, and I have been using them for the past couple days, and I will say, they're very, very awesome. But now, what we have here is my wireless charging dock I got for them. Now, this is not a specific brand, it's just kind of a generic one, so I'm kind of hoping it does work. Which I'm sure it will, but obviously we are here to unbox it. So let's see how easy / hard this will be to unbox. And actually, you know what? There's tape on it, so let me get my pocket knife really quickly. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to have to open up this pocket knife with one hand, which is going to be somewhat difficult. And then this stubborn thing. Okay. Got it? Okay. Now I can slice open the thing. Let me just stick it in there. Now have that pointed at my AirPods Pro for right now. There we go. Cut the tape and let's open this puppy up. So, pretty simple box, I will say. Now let's slide it out, and we are presented with the cable first. And there she is. That looks pretty decent, actually. It's a nice little convenient puck-style charger. It's kind of cool. So here in the box we get it with its USB A-N, and obviously a little place where these can just sit there, which is kind of cool. Alright, now let's plug it into power and see if it works. Which I'm sure it does, so let's just unravel the cable here. Alright. Sometimes these twisty ties can be annoying. There we go. Alright, now this is the full length of the cable. It looks like there's some sort of plastic film on the cable, so I'll just take that off in a second. But let's plug it into power. Have my nice little handy dandy power bank here, and it's not little, what am I saying? But let's see. So we get a blue light here on the side. Well, actually, we get a light on the side there. It's green now. It's kind of out of focus, sorry about that. But as you can see there, the AirPods Pro are indeed charging, which is great news. Yeah, you can just double tap on it there, and they show that they're charging. So that proves that obviously it can work. But this is just a short little video just to show you guys a sort of a follow-up to the AirPods Pro unboxing, as well as just a small thing for its now charger that I have, which is a wireless charging dock. That is going to be replacing my dock over there with my AirPods 2 on it. So that is a nice little replacement, I will say so myself. And I will catch you guys in the next video, which is where I will be unboxing my case for AirPods Pro. So that will be quite exciting. Anyway, catch you guys then. Peace.